So I would like to share my experience. I also practice Karya Siddi Yoga regularly. My name is Shruthi. I'm a software engineer by profession, and I do practice yoga regularly. And I've attended many workshops in yoga, Vishwa Poornima Yoga Centre. What inspires me about Karya Siddi Yoga is about the goal-setting program and the start and end of the sequence of Karya Siddi Yoga, because I feel the energy. I did share my experience with Guruji that once that, I couldn't lift my palms from my lap. That was the energy that was flowing. So I was a bit scared, but I could, he told me that you get experience, right? So that is a level of, the feel you get when you are dedicated and you're consistent about practicing Karya Siddi Yoga. Why I practice, what inspires me to practice is through the goal setting. I wanted to, I would like to share with you all that I had set a goal that I want to buy a property in Nagarbavi, which is worth of 1.8 crores. So I set that goal and I could accomplish through Karya Siddi Yoga, and I have a proud feeling about that, the program. And not only that, and I think my husband, with all excitement, he missed to share, he was trying to get promoted, in HAL, and with practicing Karya Siddi Yoga, he could achieve that. He got recently promoted as Deputy General Manager, and all credit goes to Guruji and his guidance. And again, we plan to sit with him for another set of goal setting so that we can achieve that. Thank you so much, everyone.